Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For my support, please like, share, subscribe and do not forget to activate the bell to receive all new. Today we will make chocolate chip cookies with Nutella filling. Drop about 1 to 2 teaspoons of Nutella. Freeze for 1 hour. We need 230 grams of butter. Melt over medium-low heat. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring frequently. Continue cooking over low heat until brown. Be careful, don't burn the butter. Transfer the butter into a large bowl. Let cool to room temperature. Prepare the flour mixture. 2 cups and 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt. Stir and place it aside. Add 1 cup of brown sugar and stir. Then half a cup of white sugar. Beat until light and fluffy. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 eggs, one at a time. Beat just until combined. Gradually add the flour mixture. Stir just until combined. Then add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture. Place 1 piece of frozen Nutella in the center. Roll into a ball. Bake at 180 Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Let it to cool. This our dessert for the day, Nutella cookies. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching my video.